The word Reels has become synonymous with posts. Instagram Reels are the most important thing you should be posting on Instagram. And in fact, they're the only thing you should be publishing on Instagram. Reels are the main way you're going to grow your Instagram account and get more clients from Instagram. I said this way back in March of last year, Instagram Reels are one of the biggest things giving you more followers. And it's even more true today. In this video, what I'm gonna do for you is I'm gonna give you 4 Instagram Reel ideas specifically to get clients and generate more leads. Let's get into it. By the way, if you're looking for more tips and tricks to grow your Instagram account and make money from your Instagram followers, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. I put out a ton of videos on how I grow my Instagram account and how I actually monetize my Instagram account. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my best videos. These 4 ideas, these 4 real ideas that I'm going to share with you are specifically real ideas that you can use to get clients. So things you can do to generate leads, things you can do to get people interested in working with you. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go through and share all 4 of these Instagram real ideas so that you can get more clients from Instagram. Real idea number 1. Pointing fingers. We've all seen, if you've watched any Reels, you've all kind of seen the little pointing fingers. And this is a really easy one to start with. If you're kind of overwhelmed by the idea of doing Instagram Reels, the idea of just doing like a little pointing fingers thing, perfect way to get started. We actually need a whole tutorial showing you how to do this exact reel. So you're gonna follow along with that tutorial. At the very end of that tutorial, once you're done with the initial part, you're gonna add 1 box of text. And that box of text is gonna say something that's gonna be a specific call to action, telling them to take the next step. Something like, send me a message if you wanna get more details, or comment me below if you wanna get more info on working with me. A very clear next step that you want the viewers of that reel to take. Those text bubbles should be results. So list 4 to 5 business results that you can help your students or clients or whoever's gonna buy your product achieve. So for example, if let's just say I'm a relationship coach. Okay, I'm gonna point to those little boxes. The box would be one like, get a bunch of dates on a Friday, or have better intimacy in your marriage, or, learn to fall in love again after having kids, something like that, right? Where you're pointing to the different results that you can help people achieve. And then at the end of the reel, there's going to be a box, like a text box, and it's going to say something like, DM me the word relationship to get more info, or comment me below if you want details. So you're going to point and tell them the different results you can help them achieve. And there's going to be a clear call to action that's going to tell them what next step to take. Second idea to use Instagram Reels to get clients is what I call the transformation reel. And we have an example we're going to put up on the screen here in a second. But what you're going to do is you're going to show who you were when you were struggling with XYZ problem. Then what you're going to do is show who you are now. And then you're going to put a call to action at the end. If you want a transformation like this, comment me below or send me an Instagram message. So you're just bombing them with amazing credibility, amazing proof, and amazing transformation. And then you're going to tell them to take action. So this example of a reel is actually made by my friend Pernilla, and she was on our channel a couple of days ago giving us general Instagram reel like beginner tips, which was incredible. And it just so happened that when we were looking for an example of a really good transformation, of course she came up. So this is what it looks like. So what we would do to add to this, just to create a call to action, a little bit of a next step that her potential client should take, is we would add a text bubble that says, DM me if you want a transformation like this, or DM me if you're ready for the next level in your life. That's the only thing that I would say is missing from this reel. Other than that, did a really good job of showing her old self and then really highlighting her new self. All right, Instagram reel idea number 3, the testimonial reel. Essentially what a testimonial reel is gonna be is it's going to be your testimonials that your students have given you, your clients have given you, past purchasers have, customers have bought from you, et cetera, et cetera. And you're going to share the testimonial. And then you're going to say something like, if you want results like this, comment me or DM me. So I'm going to give you a really good example of this. All right. So there's 2 things you should note about this. Number 1, she used herself. She was actually in the Instagram reel. And I think that's really effective. So if you want to know how to do this, just Google, or how to do the green screen effect for Instagram reels, just Google that and there'll be a super good tutorial. The second thing that I want you to pay attention to here, she's using a trending sound.
People think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone. People think I'm obsessed with this.
So what she's done is she's using a trending, so this whole like obsessed, it's a trending sound. So she's using a trending sound and herself using the green screen effect with testimonials in the background. This is super effective. You get to see the results that her students are able to achieve. It's incredible social proof. And then at the end, you just have a little call to action that says, hey, if you want to get results like these students, comment me below or send me an Instagram DM. So the fourth way to get Instagram clients using Instagram Reels is an idea that we call the simple CTA. Simple call to action. It's just extremely simple. And I'm going to provide an example of it. Essentially, you're going to talk a little bit, just like a little like text on screen, just a little bit to build hype or get them excited. And then you're going to have a call to action. So here's a really good example of how to do the simple CTA Instagram Reel. So right here, she says, I'm looking for 5 girls to help do this. Apply through the link in my bio now for a chance to be selected. This is a great example of a very specific call to action. She hyped you up. She talked about doing all these amazing things. She says, I'm looking for 5 girls to help do this. Apply through the link in my bio now for a chance to be selected. This is a super effective way to generate leads and get clients through Instagram Reels. So a couple tips that I want to give you so you can get even more clients with Instagram Reels. Number 1, I said this at the beginning and it bears repeating. You need to pay attention to what's trending. A lot of these, in fact, all of these use trending sounds and just trends in general. And they were able to take it and get more views from those Instagram Reels because it's a sound that's currently trending. You know, the more a sound is trending, the more an idea is trending, the more people are going to see it, the more it's going to get pushed out. So you're going to give yourself the best chance of success by just leaping into that pool 2 feet forward and just saying, okay, I'm going to put an hour on the calendar once a week and I'm just going to see what's trending and I'll start paying attention to the trends. That's how you're going to be able to get more views. More views equal more leads and more leads equal more clients. So this is worth your time. This is going to drive revenue. Second thing that I would recommend that you do is just give yourself patience and give yourself grace. Start small. Your first goal should be just to make your first reel. Get it out there. The win is that you did it. It's a huge deal to get into this world. It's a new way of doing things. It's a new way of creating content. So give yourself permission to just relax, try to have fun with it, and go really slow. Third thing that you're gonna wanna know is your Instagram reel content schedule. How often should you be doing these reels? So in my opinion, it depends on how many followers you're currently getting every single month. If you're getting 100 new followers, 100 to 500 new followers a month, do it maybe twice a month at most. If you're getting 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 new followers every single month, then do them every single week. I know a guy who gets 1,000 new Instagram followers every single day. So he does one of those kind of reels like that every single day and 2 other kinds of reels. So he's doing 3 reels a day. That's a lot. If you're sort of small and you're not getting a ton of new followers every single month, 2 times per month is a perfect way to start. As you get more followers, you can do it more frequently, maybe up to even once a week. We talked about using Instagram Reel ideas to get clients, but that's just scratching the surface, right? Let's say you get a bunch of people to comment and send you messages. Now what do? You need to know that you have an offer that's actually going to sell. You need to know that your messaging is right. You need to know that you're talking to the right people, you're attracting the right people. So it's a really big puzzle, and Instagram Reel Ideas is just one tiny, tiny little piece of that really big puzzle. So what I want you to do is I want you to come to this free coaching session that I'm hosting soon. And what I'm going to do on that free coaching session is I'm actually going to walk you how to create a custom business game plan. I call it the Get Clients Now business game plan. We're actually going to evaluate your business, and I'm going to show you some specific things that you can do to start making money in your business right away. It's a super helpful workshop. It's going to be a really, really good coaching session, and I'd love to see you there. If you want to snag a free seat to this coaching session, just click the link in the description, or you can go to mariawendt.com/workshop to save your free seat there. If you like this video, you like the 4 ideas that you can use to get more clients with Instagram Reels, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my best videos on, making money with Instagram and making money in your business in general, and I'll see you in the next video.